Welcome to IFAStories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Òrúnmìlà, the Iron Moles, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. To explore full Yoruba stories, Ifa teachings, and ancestral wisdom, visit our website, www.ifastories.com. Step into the sacred path for more resources and information. The entrance to the IGBÓDÀN, prayer. Òtúrá Méjì, Òrúnmìlà asukundifa yimale. Awo ni ile ni ibo, bayekun aun lesile, babaraba niregun Òrúnmìlà. Egba awo bara nife. Adifa fun olofin, adifa fun sango ati Òrúnmìlà. Story. In the earliest days on earth, Òrúnmìlà was the deity of the land of the Abo. Òrúnmìlà was always eating goat and chicken, but the Abo people also wanted to eat like him. Seeing their envy, Òrúnmìlà became so upset one day that he left for the land of Eru, which was the sacred land of Ifa. As Òrúnmìlà began his journey to the land of Ifa, he encountered two very strange trees. He was about to pluck a leaf from one of them, but as he approached, he saw a sack full of its fruit, the sacred Ìkín. He took the sack and continued on his way. Òrúnmìlà, who had been a fisherman in the land of Ibo, continued walking along the seashore to reach the land of Eru. But as he walked, he lifted his legs high, as if trying to step over something in his way, because he was walking through sand on the beach, which made his feet sink. This movement is part of one of the first rituals an Alawo must perform. After walking for a long time, curiosity got the better of him, and he decided to open the sack hanging from him. Upon opening it, he saw that it contained a painted Odù, which was Òtúrá Méjì, and right in front of him stood the land of Ile Ife.